It's the tiniest bit of fire on this one. A real fire agate. Just see right there, it's the tiniest bit of fire on this one. It's very light, but you can see that green. That's how you know you have a fire agate. A real fire agate. This one may also have a little bit of fire in that center, that orange center, but it just follows the surface and it's slightly damaged, I believe. And there we go. Here are my finds from only a short visit to Saddle Mountain, Arizona. My fire agates and all my other beautiful carnelians.